The song King of Glory by Kristian Stanfill from the Passion album Roar is a real high energy, really upbeat song. It actually runs at 172 beats per minute, and it has kind of a halftime feel kind of through the bridge, but we are just driving. And so really the main thing is hoping that your brain and your fingers keep up with the speed of the song. There's nothing too complicated. There's actually some really fun electric guitar riffs in there, and our acoustic guitar, we're just driving pretty much through the whole thing. So pretty simple, but a lot of fun to play. So go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. For our tag, we jump back in, and we're actually just playing the doubling what the riff, what the piano riff is doing. It's going to sound like this. And then drops out at the end of that. So let's turn some of our effects off here. And essentially, like I said, we're just following that riff and building on the riff that you did coming out of that first chorus. And so we're right back up on that 15th fret of our E, and we're starting on the offbeat again. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we use the same rhythm. So you see on your tabs there, same rhythm, now starting on the 13th fret. Then we do the same thing again. Same rhythm again, but this time we start on the high note. So this one, make sure that you don't bar these. We want to roll them on that 13th, then to your 13th of the B. And then we drop out and we're done. Real fast, upbeat, you got to really stay on top of everything, but all the riffs are really fun to play, and they're generally simple and kind of follow some melodic parts. Enjoy. 2 and 3 and 4 and. Two, three, four.